Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the additional settings, then go to the date and time. If you want to change your date and time manually, you have to disable this feature, use network provided time. Here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone by disabling this feature, use network provided time zone. Firstly, you will have to select your region and then you can select your time zone. You can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And there's also an option dual clock. Show dual clock when you are not in your home region. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.